Alright, and I don't really know how to start this video, but the title is pretty straightforward. I'm just a noob trying to pawn Qualcomm related stuff like the baseband from the Hexagon and the Qualcomm trustzone from the Qualcomm secure execution environment, and this low level stuff. And I'm a newbie because I have almost zero experience with um, low level exploitation and stuff, and ARM, and this kind of stuff related. um, that's actually a personal project that I've been working in in some the previous months, but I'm kinda stuck. And yeah, I've decided to start something. Like, I don't know even if YouTube may recommend this video for people, because my channel is actually in Portuguese, and my I don't know if you are actually understanding what I'm saying, because my accent and my English is, I don't know, is pretty rusty. I think is you know I'm just a non-native trying to speak to people that will probably have more experience in this language. So yeah, um, talking more about my project, it's really related to this key C baseband mod project developed by this guy right here, Karsten Karsten Bruns, and that's actually a master thesis, and it's really pretty uh, read. I've recommend you to read this because it's really uh, well written, and it's related to what I'm trying to do. And I will not share uh, some details for now, but in some time I may release this project paper and stuff, because uh, that's a personal project, but I've decided to use this as my research object at the college, and as I've said, I'm working on this in the last couple of months. And yeah, I'm kinda stuck because I've tried to do this, and if you read this, you may find that the main uh, 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 um, alright, it isn't written in here, but you will find that this project uh, is focused to unfused Qualcomm devices, and the Q fuses is a kind of security mechanism that prevent people from modifying firmware and this related stuff. And my device is this bad guy right here, Mi A2 Lite, aka Daisy. I already have Mi A2, aka Jasmine, uh, but it actually seems to don't work because of the chipset. This guy uses a MSM 8953, and the Mi2 uses the SDM 660. And I don't know about, but as I'm just a noob trying to pound this stuff, but I've read that there are some, I don't know, kinda more security stuff in the SDM 660. And yeah, so my target is this one. And yeah, because this guy is key fused, I can just run this project in it. So after some research, I fall into this, the Aleph security emergency download mode exploitation. And yeah, it's another pretty awesome article, and I recommend you to read this. But yeah, I've stuck here too, to be more specific, in the reading and writing in memory, aka the peek and poke respectively. The poke, the peek actually works. I can read memory using the peek primitives, but the poke, when I try to poke anything into my device's memory, what happens is that it just writes zeros in the memory. Imagine any byte value, and when I poke this address, it just turns into 0, and because of this I can't use this to pound the security build chain. You know, this stuff that is related to the security and, you know, Qualcomm stuff. And after more research around this, I found the ADL, that is a toolkit developed by Bjorn Keller. I don't know if I've misspelled his name, but it's this guy right here, B. Keller. And I got in touch with this dude, and he was pretty, I forgot the term, but he was really friendly, and sent me this article from him that is actually focused to defeat the trustzone stuff, because according to him, I'm stuck in this while trying to poke memory, because the access protection units from Qualcomm trustzone is like a barrier. Is I can't write into memory because of this. Basically, is like a barrier, like, you know, a security mechanism. And this guide is actually for unfused devices too, as you can see right here. But also according to B. Keller, he said that right here I can hot patch the trustzone in order to bypass this security stuff. Yeah, I'm kinda noob, and that's literally my first contact with low-level exploitation. And I don't know as I've said before, if I was being clear. And yeah, if you want to help with this kind of project, I'll be really grateful. And when the paper and research uh, comes out, make sure to send me, uh, your GitHub, your LinkedIn, your mail, or name, or anything that I can use it to creditize you uh, for helping in this project. And yeah, I've also created this Telegram channel, a new trying to pound stuff, because right here I plan to post my stuff. I don't know uh, how far I can go with this, but I think that, as this is pretty undocumented, this channel may be a good resource for future works and research. And I think this can be useful for people that is in the same situation as me, and is kinda lost and trying to do some stuff to pound the Qualcomm stuff. And yeah, that's the Telegram address, a noob trying to pound stuff. And here's a chat link you can check in this channel, because you can maybe meet people and just chat. It's just a chat. And I think everyone here is pretty mature to understand that. Please don't flood, don't send spam, don't send unrelated stuff and political stuff also. And SFW isn't allowed here too. It's just a place to chill and talk about pounding stuff. Yeah, I accept some suggestions, because I don't know if I record videos, if I stream me trying to pound the Qualcomm stuff. Please send here or in this video's comments, because yeah, I just want to share what I'm doing, but I don't know exactly what should I do. And yeah, please send some suggestions. And that's pretty much it. Also, send the feedback about my, if you can understand what I'm saying, and if I'm being clear enough. And yeah, I think that after after finishing this project, I can stick with this a noob trying to pound stuff project, and I can target it to another stuff, like low level memory exploitation, Linux exploitation, and stuff that may be related to low level stuff. I'm just a newbie, but I think it may be a nice place to share some stuff, knowledge and tips and experience, and networking and everything that's related. So yeah, it's almost 4 a.m. and I'm going to sleep. So please send your feedbacks, and yeah, I wait you guys in the comments and maybe right here in the Telegram. So again, that's the Telegram link. A newbie trying to pound stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.